Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. Opposition leader Dr. Mukul Sangma slams government's failure to stop illegal coal mining. TMC skips MDC polls, cites need to strengthen party at grassroots level. NEHU yet to receive requests from colleges expressing interest on joining State University, clarifies senior NEHU professor. IOCL and Reboy District Administration sign MOU to supply solar-powered airy spinning units. And Meghalaya matches best ever National Games performance, securing 5 medals. CM congratulates athletes. The news in detail. Opposition leader Mukul Sangma has criticized the National People's Party-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government for failing to curb the illegal mining and transportation of coal. The former Chief Minister pointed out that Section 21 of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957 makes it mandatory for the state government to take cognizance of such illegal activities. He further warned that if authorities fail to act, they must be held accountable for neglecting their duties.
I think it is important for us to refresh ourselves with the responsibility that is vested upon the authorities pertaining to the issues of any illegal mining. Please remember that the Section 21 of the MMDR Act 1957 make it binding on the part of the government to take any issue of illegal coal mining cognizable. This is a cognizable offense. So when we say that this is a cognizable offense, that means the government or the authorities concerned who are vested with the responsibility have to take cognizance of any instances of such illegalities.
The Trinamool is not contesting elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, scheduled to be held on February 21st. Leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangma said the TMC decided against contesting after weighing the ground realities. He said they are revisiting how to further strengthen the party, particularly at the grassroots level.
We have taken a conscious decision that it is not necessary for us to fight every election, particularly district council election, because we are revisiting as to how to further strengthen the party, particularly in the grassroots level. Because in absence of proper organization at the grassroots level, it is very important for us to ensure that we look at the practical, rather the ground reality at the ground zero, and it is almost like deciding not to put the cart before the horse.
Director of the College Development Council of NEHU, Dr. DRL Nonglait, has informed that Northeastern Hill University or over 80 colleges are affiliated to NEHU, offering both general and professional courses. He clarified that no request was received by NEHU from different colleges expressing interests to join the State University, the Captain Williamson Sangma State University. He further explained that affiliating colleges is a complex process, requiring the university to have enough staff and faculty across various departments to meet the college's needs.
Hadumata college Kentucky ki general course, but ki professional course, ki ba affiliate but ki dehu ki dan kumba praponya pratale. Kentucky gitu ki ba ni only ki provisional affiliation, ni ai ka provisional affiliation, but ki turu ki ba la khamslam, ki ba ngila ai ki permanent affiliation.
The Khasi Students' Union today conducted an examination to select candidates for UPSC coaching in Delhi. Speaking to the media, the Assistant Education Secretary of the KSU, Richardson Malnyang, explained that the KSU aims to identify the most promising students for UPSC training in Delhi. He noted that over 100 students from Shillong and various rural areas took part in the exam.
Kan sajid ini semua kulit kiban pas pada examination ya kawa ni ingin nakalek seng bisa pernah ya kiri sol di segi kiban wan selection process no kaleng jo seng golong njit be itu kiban syahmat te habide patka nomor ya kawa ingin fa sipo Delhi ya kan ingin sa ya penbek nama kadega kam kawa ni jingtip kadega jang pedeng jong seng ko itu somla kulit kiban sajid.
A memorandum of understanding was signed yesterday between Indian Oil Corporation Limited and the Reboy District Administration for the supply of 254 solar-powered airy spinning units. This initiative, part of IOCL's Corporate Social Responsibility Program, has been sanctioned at an estimated cost of Rs 62.98 lakh. The spinning centres will be operated by village organizations under the supervision of the Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society and the Deputy Commissioner's Office.
It will not only bring sudden change into the productivity of the output, but it gives an saving, like it become more efficient, and it will encourage more farmers to come and take this activity.
The head of the Umba clan, Morningstar Umba, has expressed concern over the decline of traditional values and respect within the clan. The concern was raised during the Dorbar Kur of the Umba clan at Lamalong in Reboy district yesterday. Additionally, new office bearers were elected for the 2026 to 2028 term, with West Umba as president, Chesterfield Umba as general secretary, along with other key officials.
Hagatip kur katip kha yin hikai ki khon jungi banlong ki khon ki bakongo ya ki henmen ki para ki khon ki bakongo ya ki kmi ki kpa ki khon ki bakongo ya ki kni ki balongkum ki nong sanshar haga yin gesem lada ka kmi kam shim ya ki jingkit kli winom yo ya ki khon ki bakongo bat kalawei jong kalong kur kamankur Kerlong kalaway kebadu jingkerman, kalaway jong ka imlang ka salang, kerlong kalaway kebadu jingkerman.
The Reboy People's Council has expressed concern over the registration of the newly launched vehicles as part of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya's Health Shuttle service. The council said that registration for the 10 health shuttles launched by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma was done in Assam. The RBPC said the registration of these 10 vehicles in Assam is seen as an act that undermines the state's authority and has urged the state government to clarify on the matter.
Ya kabakum kaseng ngi penpau bat ngi penrem ba Chief Minister ulak benong bakani kade banbus ya ka healthcare dak ba pelat yakin ki spotuli ki kali ka Urbania Vans Santli bat ka AC Bus Santli Henry kabagaseng ka kuat banbu ya ka jingkeli ka long ba kai ka daw ka penlong ya ka PIMS USTM ban register ya ka kali Sha Asam ka bakum kaseng ngishim ba ka priority ya ka ba ka sorkar ka dei banbu hakmat ban kentiu ya ka revenue ya ka yo ka kot ban ong ba ya ka jaga ka badon hapo uput usam jong ka jela ka jongi ya kaban register ya ki kali Sha Asam bat ban pelat haplau ying jong Chief Minister ngi shim nga kaseng bakani ka insult ya ka state hakmat jong executive head.
Meghalaya has matched its best ever National Games performance, securing 5 medals in the canoeing competition at the ongoing 38th National Games in Uttarakhand. The athletes include Pinchngain Kurba, Indra Sharma, Elizabeth Vincent, Vikash Rana in solo performance, and Kiran Devi and B. Anandi in lightweight women's double sculls. In a video call, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulated the medalists, including their coach Yan and team manager Shela, for leveraging the government's support and pushed the team towards their victory.
How are you all feeling today? So I just wanted to take this opportunity to once again congratulate all of you for this great achievement that you have achieved, and for bringing laurels to your family, to your association, and of course to the state as a whole. And as your Chief Minister, I just want to tell you that we are very, very proud of you. We'll be waiting to receive you here in Shillong, and a lot of exciting discussions are there. I have shared some of them with Pinchinai. The rest I will share with you when you all come here.
The Tura Agri-Horti Society successfully organized a horticulture show cum exhibition and flower arrangement competition at Christian Girls High Secondary School, Tura. The event, which aimed to promote horticulture and floriculture in the region, saw participation from local farmers, florists and students. The exhibition showcased a variety of locally grown fruits, vegetables, ornamental plants and floral arrangements reflecting the region's rich biodiversity. Now the weather report. Firstly, in Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 13 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature at 28 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 25%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 6.4 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature at 20.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 44%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 9 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 35%. And the forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong indicate that dry weather is likely at most places and shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. Before we conclude, a quick look at the headlines once again. Opposition leader Dr. Mukul Sangma slams government's failure to stop illegal coal mining. TMC skips MDC polls, cites need to strengthen party at grassroots level. NEHU yet to receive requests from colleges expressing interest on joining State University, clarifies senior NEHU professor. IOCL and Rebhoy District Administration sign MOU to supply solar-powered airy spinning units. Meghalaya matches best ever National Games performance, securing 5 medals. CM congratulates athletes. Dear viewers, with that we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.